Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit double cap magnetic clasps with a hand tool set. So here I have 14mm magnetic clasps that have the caps on the back. I also have some faux leather. I have our double cap magnetic clasp hand tool set, and I have a 2.5mm hole punch as well, which is not included in your hand tool set. So when you need to punch a hole, which is step one, you will need to either use one of these or pliers or a green machine, whichever one is going to suit you best. So we'll start off with exactly that. We'll start making two holes. So I'll do one in this corner. And we'll do one in this corner. Pull out any excess that we have there, lovely. And there we have the two holes. Our magnetic clasps will come in three parts. So we will have a cap, which goes onto the back. We have a male end, and we have a female end. The female end is also thicker. With our hand tool set, we also have three parts. So we have this tool here, which is used to push the caps down and let the stem splay into the cap to lock it into place. We have a male base and we have a female base. So here's how it's going to work. I want to take my magnetic clasp. I want to push the stem through the hole I made, so it pokes out the back just like that. I can take one of these caps, push that onto the stem so that sits like that, and this is my male end. So I'm going to take a female base like this, and that's what's going to be underneath the male end of my magnetic clasp. We can take our tubular tool here, pop it onto the cap and hammer that through. And there we have our first side fixed. We'll do the same again with our female end. So push the stem through the hole, take the cap, push that onto the back, just like so. And now we can take our male base and put that with our female end. Now remember, our female end is magnetised, so that will hold in place. Again, take the tubular tool, place it over the cap and hammer that down. And that's our two sides done, and they should just snap together like that.